Welcome to Filmit.io. I'm Max. I'm going to give you a quick tour. By this point, you've already installed your desktop application. You're going through the Studio tour right now. Your tour automatically installs Filmit Studio for DaVinci Resolve, and you're good to go. Once you open up Filmit Studio on your desktop, you notice this right here. First thing you see is your dashboard, your My Tools section, your DaVinci Resolve tools. Everything for DaVinci is here that you can browse around and check things out. Now you want to open up Filmit Studio inside of DaVinci Resolve. Super simple. Let's go to Workspaces, Workflow Integrations, and then Filmit Studio. Now for whatever reason, if you're not already logged in through the desktop application, you can log in directly through the Filmit Studio app for DaVinci. Just log in with Google or log in with your account. Once you've signed into Filmit Studio, this is the first thing you're going to see. Now you may have come to Filmit Studio for many different reasons, including all of our tools like Rough Cut, Jump Cut, Organizer, and so on. But over here on the left, you see all the different tools that you have. You can open up Rough Cut from here, or just click the sidebar right here. Feel free to close down the sidebar to give yourself more working room. And here's Sourcer, for example. Every tool has its individual settings panel that is tied to the tool. At any point in time, you can click Contact Support to reach out to us directly. Now, as you can see inside of Filmit Studio, here's your live tools, and here's our roadmap. We have a bunch of new tools coming to DaVinci soon, so look out for those. When Filmit Studio has an update, you'll be notified in-app here inside of DaVinci, or Filmit Studio, the desktop app, will notify you. When there is an update for Filmit Studio, if you're within DaVinci, just click Open Studio app, and it opens right up where you can update Filmit Studio, which in turn updates all of your tools. Along with all of your DaVinci tools that get installed, you have your effects and transitions for DaVinci Resolve. Now, to natively apply effects and transitions inside of DaVinci, you have to go to your normal OpenFX and filters for Filmit to apply them. So let's minimize this. I already have effects open inside of DaVinci. Let's click OpenFX, click filters, and as you can see, all of our different effects are applied here. Let's apply the VHS effect onto our footage. I'll drag it onto this clip, and here is the VHS effect. This also applies to transitions between clips. We do have a couple of free tools that you can check out, more coming soon. And finally, here's your profile for the main Studio app. From here, you can sign out, manage your account, open the Studio app. You can also join our Discord, join our Reddit thread, contact support, everything that you might need for Filmit Studio. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.